Hello everyone, Daryl here from Daryl Travel, and welcome back to another room tour. This one, guys, we are on Virgin Voyage. Yes, oh my god, honey, you're gonna love this ship here. It's, oh my god, it's so amazing. Listen, this room right here, it's really nice, like so nice, very relaxing. Listen, oh my god, can I wait to show you around? But before I do that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Now this video may be a little different from the usual, honey, because I know I'm not dressed up right now, because listen, this is a Virgin Voyage we are on. I try to match the theme, and yes, I'm wearing my little red shirt and and the white pants. Very comfy and relaxing. Yeah. Before I get started, guys, please give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. When you're ready to book this room or balcony or a suite on the Virgin Voyage, please give Daryl Travel a call and I'd be more than happy to assist. Are you ready for me to show you around? So I'm gonna go outside and start from there and then work my way around in this beautiful, wonderful, marvelous ocean view. So this is your room key, guys. You're going to need this to get into your room. So you just scan it right here. It's going to turn green. All right. To my right here is the bathroom, guys. Before you get into the bathroom, you have thermostat where you can control the temperature, and the light switch to get into the bathroom. And this is the bathroom here. The bathroom, yes, it's a bit small, but it's so neat and cute at the same time. Like, everything about this bathroom is really nice. It's a one-person bathroom. I don't see two people standing in this bathroom, and I'm pretty small, so, and I took up the whole entire space. Okay. Pretty nice. It said makeup, and then over here you have your sink. This is so cute. I really like it. It's so cute. Then below here you have your tissue and your floor mat. And guys, look how this is the floor right here. Pretty neat and very clean. And then to my left you have the shower. And I'm gonna go in there. Alright, so this is how. Alright guys, so the shower is pretty spacious. It's not big, but it's spacious. Like, it's not stuck to your body. And I love how they have this glass door here. They don't have a curtain. Love that. And yeah, it's pretty decent, guys. It's a rain shower. Show it right here. Yeah, pretty nice. Love it. And here you have your body wash, your hair conditioner, and your shampoo. Get a line, do a line, you pull it out, right? You pull it out and you can hang your swimwear or whatever you want to hang here. Love it. And then here you have your mirror, your vanity mirror. So nice. I love the lighting on it. Hi guys, now coming out of the bathroom. To my right, you have your closet. So guys, look at this. I love this curtain for your closet. It's different. It's very unique. And when you open it, this is your hanger for your clothes. It's very spacious, guys. You can put a lot of clothes in here, and your suitcase is right there. Yeah, pretty nice. Over here, oh, you control your lighting over here. And then here you control, you know, if you want your privacy or housekeeping. Guys, look at the sun. It's going down. So look at the sun setting right now. So lovely. Guys, oh my God. I love it, love it, love it. When you walk from the bathroom, you have your nice chair. They're very comfy. I actually sat in it. And very relaxing as well. You have your towel. Yeah. And then, I'm not sure what this is for, but, you know, whatever that used for, you can use it to do whatever. And then here for storage, you pull this out. And this is a huge drawer, guys. Very huge and spacious. So you can put your stuff in there. Love it. And then here you have your little table. At nighttime, you can go ahead and, you know, put your food here, your drinks or whatever, and just relax while you're watching the TV. Nice. Now this is a king size bed, guys. Pretty big for 2 or maybe 3 pushing it, but yeah, it's a good size, and it is actually very comfy as well. I haven't lay on it yet, but I just sat on it, and it's very comfy. And then here they give you another towel if needed. And then the bed head is very soft. The cushion here is very soft. Love, love, love it. Also to my right, you have this full body mirror. Like so. Hey. You have your light in here, your overhead light. Okay. And then you turn them on by this right here. Over to my right, they give you like 2 bottled water. 2 bottled water and 2 glass if needed to drink your water. And some cute little decoration. Yeah, love, love, love it. And guys, look at the fridge, how they decorate the fridge. Nice. I love the door for the fridge. Nice. So you open that, and there goes the fridge. It's pretty spacious for whatever you need. And yeah, there's nothing in there right now. We're gonna put some coconut water later on in there. Here you have another storage. You can put whatever here if needed. And then you have your seat in here for your guests if needed. Then you have a nice lamp right here for reading or whatever you want to do. And this right here, guys, it controls your, this is your remote for the TV. Pretty cool. Different. I've never seen this before. You usually have an actual remote, but this is your remote to control the TV and whatever else there is. I love the picture frame that they have here. Love, love, love it. And then there you go. You have a mirror here to look at yourself if needed. Yeah. So love, love, love it. And then here's your table and your phone. And yeah. Okay, so they don't have a dresser, guys, or, you know, where you can put, you know, your clothes in. They only have that drawer that I showed you earlier. So on the Virgin Voyages, there's no dresser. Keep that in mind. So yeah. And then up here, you hang your towel, your swimwear, whatever it is you want to hang. Go up here. Moving right along, over here, the TV is right across from the bed, which is, I love that. I love when you're relaxing and the TV is straight across from you. Love, love, love that. I love this nice design here. It's actually wood. Love it. You know, give that accent wall. Make it look really, really nice. And then over here, guys, oh my God, one of my favorite. So, as you know, as you can see, it is an ocean view, right? And the curtain actually moved, guys. Look, I love it. One of my favorite. So you press it to close the curtain. And that's so cool, right? Yes, yes. And to open it, you press it again to open it. That is so cool. Love, love, love it. And then look at the beautiful ocean. Oh my God, sun rising, guys. Oh, how beautiful. Look how close we are to the water, guys. Listen, this is not a balcony, but I appreciate this ocean view so much. Love, love, love it. Like, look at the sun. Oh, nice. You can sit right here while you're watching the sun and, you know, read something or meditate and just relax, guys. You know? Yeah. Pretty cool. Love, love, love it. Guys, listen, Virgin Voyages is absolutely amazing. Truly, truly amazing. Love, love everything about the ship so far. It is, oh my God, it is marvelous. If you haven't been on the Virgin Voyage, you gotta check it out. You gotta check it out. If you like this room and you can see yourself here in this room, please give Daryl Travel a call and we will take care of everything for you from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. And also, please share this with your family and friends, you know, who are looking to travel on a cruise, or you think there will be benefit from this room tour. Please go ahead and share this video with them as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching once again. It is truly, truly a pleasure and honor to have you here with me. And thank you so much for being here. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.